Hey guys, I'm Gary with DP Conversions out of Belgrade, Montana. My shop is one of the few lucky ones to get a chance to build some of these pretty cool vehicles. Partnered up with America's Most Wanted 4x4. I think I'll start with the Wrangler here. This is a 2024 Jeep Wrangler. It is from the factory as a Rubicon X package, and that gives a little bit of height, and it comes with a 35-inch tall tire. Part of the prerequisites for this build from the customer was that it remained as stock looking as possible. So you're not looking at a whole bunch of flashy suspension, and it certainly is a surprise. It's an 840 horsepower Demon. It is in fact a 6.2 Mopar supercharged block with a Demon blower, all the specs of the Demon Challenger stuffed into a Jeep Wrangler. This Jeep is just going to be incredibly quick. 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X. We did Dynatrac Series Performance Kit. With this remaining on 35s, 410 gear ratio. The cool thing about the Dynatrac Series Performance Kit is it comes with a semi-float rear differential, and so it keeps the stock track width, stock bolt pattern, so you can keep your stock wheels, as well as the front differential. It's their ProRock 44 front differential, stock width, stock bolt pattern, stock brakes, etc. Right? So weight is key when it comes to speed. This is about as fast as you can make a Jeep Wrangler, and that's kind of the goal with this whole thing here. So second one here, you're looking at a 2021 Jeep Gladiator. It came from the factory as a Rubicon. This guy is running stock axles, 35-inch tires, 707 horsepower Hellcat engine, again a 6.2 supercharged engine directly from Mopar, crate engine package, crate 8 HP 90 transmission package, seamlessly integrated. It looks like it's supposed to come from the factory like that, and that's the whole goal with these builds, is to make them as reliable as possible, utilizing OEM technology wherever possible, and the results just speak for themselves. On this one, we opted for a set of Fox Performance Elite Series 2.5 shocks. This Jeep is sporting a Metal Cloak true dual rate suspension system. The actual height is probably about 3.5 inches on this with Metal Cloak spring rate. Everything else, as you can see, is just stock on this thing. These things just start to pull, and they pull hard. And drivability is just incredible with the 8-speed transmissions. We feel super fortunate that we're able to partner with America's Most Wanted 4x4. They trust us with their kits, with the quality install. It's exactly the way a partnership's supposed to work. And hey, we'll keep building these as long as they keep making them. So thanks for listening. If you guys have any questions, be sure to hit us up. We'll put a phone number up here, email address, etc. Give you some ways to think about us. And it's sales@dpconversions.com. So yeah, appreciate you watching.